Have you ever heard of a glass line water heater? Does a water heater really have glass inside it? Well, yes and no. Kind of like your coffee mug here. It has a porcelain coating on it that's like pottery glaze. That's kind of what we've got inside a water heater. Inside the water heater, and especially state water heaters, they have a coating called Blue Diamond. It's one of the most wonderful glass linings they've ever put in. And what happens is they put a powder inside it, bake it at 400 plus degrees, and that turns to the same thing like pottery glaze on a coffee mug. Protects every bit of the steel inside the heater. That's what a glass line water heater is.